A big hello to everyone, this is Tatyana and welcome to my channel. Time really flies and I cannot believe it, it's already time to redo my own nails. I completed this manicure in this video with you guys, so if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to go and check it out. I tested a super quick French tip nail hack and it was a lot of fun. There is some bad lifting and the corners are pretty damaged. Today I'll have to either change my nails into an oval shape or restore the corners with product. So I'm starting off by removing the prior product with my nail drill using a ceramic bit. I'm right-handed and filing down the product with my left hand is not the easiest, but the only way to improve is practice and more practice. So don't lose patience and keep practicing on your own nails, you'll get there. Last time I cleaned up my nails by using a silicone carbide bit instead of my typical diamond bit, and I actually really liked the result. The important part is that the nail bit that you're using has a rough abrasion. The difference between the silicone bits and the diamond bits is that the color is not just on the notch but the entire bit. So this silicone bit is black as its black abrasion. And I have a little trick to share with you guys. Whenever your silicone bit has lost its sharp tip, you can easily sharpen it with a soft nail file. Yes, these silicone nail bits don't last quite as long, but I do like working with them, especially when doing the nails on my right hand. Then I'm switching to a bit with blue abrasion and finishing the cleanup. Further, I'm dehydrating my nails, applying a non-acidic primer and a rubber base coat. I don't really want an oval shape, so I'm going to build on my nails, and the best option for this is using Polygel. I'm taking a bead and placing it on the tip of my nail. Then I'm smoothly spreading it out to the middle of my nail and leaving the thickness on the free edge. I love a sharp and precise square shape, and Polygel really helps to achieve this. Further, I'm taking my nail file and creating an even line on the tips and down the sides. Then I'm filing the upper arch, removing any unevenness in the coating. And then I'm taking my nail drill and filing down the thickness underneath. Just a look at these beautiful arched square-shaped nails. I absolutely love them. Now for our design. Today I'll be coating my nails in this beautiful lavender colored base coat. Coating the nails on my right hand is so time consuming and tricky, so this colored base coat is just perfect. I'm leveling out my nails as I normally would with any base coat and making sure not to create too much volume on the tips. After all, the tips are just extensions, so they don't require additional strengthening. Now for our top coat, I'm coating 2 of my nails in a velvety matte finish. And then I remembered my watercolor polishes. I used them recently in a design that I posted and a lot of you really liked it. If you haven't seen it yet, it's on my Instagram. You can follow me there where I post a lot of pictures and short videos of some amazing designs. So I'm taking one of the watercolored polishes, applying it on my nail which immediately dries, and then adding the next color right on top. I really love using these watercolored polishes. They're so artsy and easy to use. I'm then adding a few elements in black and some little stickers. And here they are. I am so happy with how my nails turned out, and I had so much fun completing this set. And what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments section below. And if you liked this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and until next time.